Second set, hands under your head, fold left leg, lips close. Now right leg straight up 90, straight down 0. 1, straight up 90, straight down 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Left leg. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With ball, fold both legs. Fold both legs. Ball, hands at back side straight. Head back side straight. Join foot, knee, thigh. Join foot, knee, thigh. Join legs. With the ball, both hands, head, chest, abdomen. Total lift upper body. Lips close. 1, up. So don't lift foot. Why lift upper body? Don't lift foot and don't separate legs. 2, up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hands close to body. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Fold both legs. Setu Bandhasanam. Fold both legs. Hands just beside body. Lift thigh, seat, lower back, mid back, upper back. Ready. Lips close. Lift thigh, seat, lower back, mid back, upper back. Try to more lift your mid back and upper back. Down. 11, up. Down. 10, up. Down. 9, 8. Come on, lift more, mid back and upper back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side with the 2 dumbbells, standing position. Join foot, lips close, hands full rotation clockwise. Full rotation clockwise. Join foot, lips close. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. With the brick support. Butterfly. Both foot on brick. పాదాలు బ్రిక్ మీద పెట్టుకోవాలి. thigh, hips full up and full down, full strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the ball, legs straight. With the ball, both legs straight. Hands right, hands above shoulder level, lips closed. Fold both legs at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Legs straight. Ball in between foot. Lock ball with both big toes. Catch both foot with both hands. Catch both foot with both hands. In sitting, spinal twistings. Twist upper body to right. Total relax. Forehead relax on the floor mat. Again, catch foot. Join forehead, kneecap. Head down, join forehead, kneecap. 11, left. Catch foot, join forehead, kneecap. 10, right. Catch foot, join forehead, kneecap. 8, catch foot. 7, catch foot. 6, catch foot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, with the 2 dumbbells, standing position. Hands, side liftings. With the 2 dumbbells, lips closed. 2 చేతులు తల, చెవి, మెడ, వెన్నుపూస వెనక నుంచి రావాలి. Both hands, it should be maintained total from back side of head, ear, neck, upper back. Lips closed. 1, up, down. 2, up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Separate legs. Both hands right. Hands above shoulder level. Stretch in, stretch out. Lips closed. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, above. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Stick on shoulders. Join foot, stick on shoulders. Join foot, lips closed. Alternative. Side leg liftings. 1, right leg. 2, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stick on shoulders, separate legs. Both foot straight. No V shape, no cross. Always tighten kneecap. Turn upper body to right back. See the corner of right. See the corner of Buddha wallpaper. Don't lift heel. Straight. 2, left. See the corner of left. Straight. 3, straight. 4, straight. 5, straight. 6, straight. 7, don't move foot. Straight. 8, straight. మోకాలు చెప్పులు బిగించాలి. 9, straight. 10, straight. 11, straight. 12, straight. Turn to north side. Separate legs. More wide, double wide. మోకాలు చెప్పులు బిగించాలి. Lips close. Slowly bend your upper body to right side. Bend your upper body to right side. Stand. 11. Stand. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Join legs. Stick drop, no sounds. Hip rotation clockwise. Lips close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the ball. Half sit-ups. Separate legs, both foot straight, no V shape, no cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ball drop. Catch, cross ear. Lips close. Full sit-ups. Ready. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Lips close, eyes close. Eyes close, lips close, mouth close. Maintain normal breathe. Both hands in Chin Mudra.